The frequency of sofa cleaning depends on various factors such as the type of fabric, usage, presence of pets or children, and individual lifestyle. However, as a general rule of thumb, it's recommended to vacuum your sofa weekly to remove surface debris. We all love spending time on our comfortable sofas, whether it's for watching TV, reading, or just relaxing. But have you ever stopped to think about how often you should clean it? In this video, we will discuss the factors that determine how often you should clean your sofa and some tips to keep it looking and smelling fresh. First, let's talk about the type of fabric on your sofa. Different materials require different cleaning methods and frequencies. For example, leather sofas need to be wiped down with a damp cloth every week and treated with a leather conditioner every 3 to 6 months, to keep them looking new. On the other hand, fabric sofas need more frequent vacuuming to remove dust and dirt. Next, consider the usage of your sofa. If you spend a significant amount of time lounging, eating, or even sleeping on your couch, it's essential to clean it more often. High-traffic sofas should be vacuumed weekly and deep cleaned every 3 months to maintain their appearance and extend their lifespan. Now, let's talk about pets and children. If you have furry friends or little ones who love to play on the sofa, it's crucial to clean it more frequently. Pet dander, hair, and dirt can accumulate quickly, and spills from food or drinks are more likely to occur. In this case, a weekly vacuum and spot cleaning is needed are recommended, with a deep clean at least every 3 months. Lastly, your personal preferences and lifestyle play a significant role in determining the cleaning frequency. If you entertain guests often, suffer from allergies, or simply prefer a spotless home, you may need to clean your sofa more regularly. In conclusion, while there's no one-size-fits-all answer to how often you should clean your sofa, a combination of weekly vacuuming, spot cleaning is needed, and deep cleaning every 3 to 6 months will help keep your couch looking and smelling great. So grab your vacuum, some cleaning supplies, and get to work. Your sofa will thank you for it.